hard though.
That is hard. MLG King. What? I got 3 in a row.
What's wrong with you?
Watch, I'm not gonna. Look at me go block. Don't.
Dude!
Stop.
I'm
Run away.
Nothing. You're such an. Oh my god.
Look, I can kill them all. Watch.
Oh my god. He goes. He's just like, watch this. He's. He spawns the gold box and he just runs. They all come after me, and he's just killing them from behind. And it's like what's wrong?
I killed them all. Aren't you proud? I
Such
killed
an
them all.
idiot. You sacrificed me.
I killed them all.
Wait. Ah! Get him. Or her. Or it. Wait. What? You're such an idiot. Wait.
Oh my god, I'm about to die.
Oh no! Stop! Move!
I'm gonna die.
Yeah, this is what happens when you fall down my trap. In my hole.
You're trapped. What's wrong? What's wrong with you? This is a team game, you know that, right?
I don't know why I even said that. I don't know. Alright.
No, do not.
Oh my god. Oh,
do not, George, you idiot!
Oh my god.
Alright, stop. Everyone's go.
I thought that we were in the strong.
Get out of my face.
Move! What the heck? Oh god! Oh my god! You're like, why'd you fall? That's what you get for falling into my what the hell's wrong with you, George?
Chunk it?
You mean chunk?
What?
Oh my god.
What's in my? Why did you place netherrack?
Dream. What is wrong with you? See another Enderman as well. I think we should turn.
What the heck, man?
Wait, where am I?
Oh my god! I'm gonna die!
What? You said you're gonna pee yourself.
I've never seen a cave or something.
You guys scared?
Wait, where am I?
I can't stop.
There's like a. I don't know.
I don't
get a bit too high out.
You're trapped.
I see your house.
Why did you fall down my trap? I want 2 hearts.
Is this it?
Man, you feet trap. No.
It's me in the water. What is going on?
I'm getting this end. Oh no! I have no sprint. I have no sprint. Ah! Dream has no sprint. He's gonna kill me. I have no sprint.
Go! Is he after me?
Oh! Please! Hop out!
Please! Oh, he's coming! He's chasing me! He's over here!
No, please! I threw the pick. I'm on my way. Where's my stuff?
Right there.
How am I gonna get to that though? I just no!
Dude, are you joking?
Oh, there's some more stuff. I gotta get. Okay, I got it.
What?
Dude, no! I'm not even like doing that on purpose. This is not fun. I don't want to do this anymore.
No, it's right behind me. Oh my god. No! Oh my god. Okay, perfect. So now I just need to go. Oh no! Seriously, like.
George, you can't say. You can't say that. What's wrong with you?
I can't help it. Shit. Where do I find blue flowers? I'm colorblind. This
I'm
game is
colorblind.
against my disability.
I can place water down.
Okay, yeah, do that, and then I'll drop down.
Wait.
Oh, what the hell? Why do you? Are you serious? I just ran for like a million hours.
I thought I placed it in the... I thought I thought I placed it in the wrong place. I was gonna move it, and then you just splat.